Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If you're trying to connect your Samsung Tab S9 FE to a monitor, you might expect it to work instantly with a cable, but sometimes it's not that straightforward. Many users plug in a USB-C cable and see nothing happen, which can be confusing. That's because not all tablets support the same type of display output, and you may need the right adapter or method to make it work properly. The good thing is that there are a few simple ways to connect your tablet to a monitor, whether it's through wired connection or wireless screen sharing. Once you follow the correct setup, you can easily mirror your screen or extend your workspace for a better viewing experience. Try these. Step 1. Check if your tablet supports USB-C display output or screencasting. Step 2. Connect a USB-C to HDMI adapter or cable to your monitor. Step 3. Plug the adapter into your Samsung Tab S9 FE. Step 4. If no display appears, use Smart View from Quick Settings. Step 5. Select your monitor or compatible display device. Step 6. Adjust display settings for mirroring or extended view.